Welcome to Database. In this video, we will learn about thermometer charts. Thermometer chart is not an inbuilt Excel chart. It means that Excel is not providing a chart like this, but we are modifying in the normal Excel chart and making it like this. So you are aware that the value in thermometer is changing with the increase or decrease in the values. So in a thermometer chart, we are showing two different values. What is the target and how much it has achieved. So in this chart, you can see that this value is 70% is the achievement. So it is filled with 70%. Now this 30% value is empty. That means the target is still to fill. We can change this value as 90. So it got changed. Okay. So let us learn that how we can make this chart. So first we will select the values. Then we will go insert, then insert column and bar chart. Here, there are two different values achieve versus target. Now we will go switch rows columns. Now it has been changed. Next step is to click on this target and then format data series. Here we will select as secondary. Now we will come here on this primary axis, format axis. Then we will change the minimum and maximum values. Here now we will go and change these values as well. Okay. Along with this, we will change the colors also. Now we have seen that the values are coming as expected. Now I will change the size. Now it is almost looking like a thermometer chart. Just one thing is missing, that we will go in insert and we will click on this eclipse over. Just change that. And then make necessary changes. So now the thermometer chart is ready. You can also create this thermometer chart, and this helps in comparing the values of two achievement versus target. That is all for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share this video with others also. Thank you for watching.